Okay, this happens to be a Kubota with an LA434 Loader, but I think this will work on most of them. I had basically, the first time since we bought this, it's only 2018, but the first time since we bought it to try to take the quick disconnects off here, and well, they didn't want to come off. So I did pound it with a hammer and all sorts of things. I tried jiggling this thing back and forth, but in the end, it did not want to move, but I will show you a solution in a minute here that worked rather well. It's greased up, but it's just seized up. I'd recommend you, after you get this loose, you do spray it with some WD-40 or whatever. But here's it. You just take this bar, or any kind of pry bar, just get right on that little nub there, and you can just kind of jiggle it back and forth. You can pound it if you want to. Yep. It's really great point to just grab onto, and then poof, it pops right up. Like I said, you want to spray this thing down with something down the bottom where it goes into that peg piece. And then you can see, just jiggle it around a few times. You gotta get the tilt and just right to get these out of here. Once you do it a couple times, it becomes quite easy. I did it actually just like a year ago. I did this. I did it just the other day. Put the forks on it. Didn't even take me like maybe 3 minutes to get the forks on and get the bucket off and the forks on. So hope this helps. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help me out. Thanks much.